Let me tell you a story. Sophie loved to write in her journal every day. She had an idea to create a special journal to help her feel better when she felt sad or worried. So she decided to call it her mental health journal. Sophie knew that by writing down her feelings, it's going to help her understand them more. One sunny afternoon, Sophie sat at her desk with her favorite pen and a blank notebook. She started by drawing a big heart on the first page and then wrote, "This is my safe place." She told herself that it was going to be okay to write down anything that was on her mind, even if it was hard to say out loud. Sophie wrote about how her day went. She wrote about happy moments, like playing with her friends, and also about tough moments, like, when she felt nervous before a test. Writing helped Sophie feel so good, it was like she was talking to somebody, even if she was all alone. And then she decided to talk to God, and then she was really not alone. Sometimes Sophie drew pictures in her journal too. She drew a rainbow when she felt hopeful, and a storm when she felt worried. Each page basically made her feel better because it was letting out her thoughts, it was letting out her feelings. So she knew that journaling was helping her grow strong inside, and it made her feel peaceful. So why don't you try it? Write things down. Pray to God. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. There's a link in the description to eternal life, how to have it, by the way.